In this video, I will show how to seamlessly connect your Wappler project to GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket repositories. Hi, I'm Ben Plessier and, like you, a fervent user of Wappler. Now that you are familiar with local repositories by viewing previous videos, it is time to think about creating a remote repository. Wappler is a registered app for GitHub, GitLab and Bitbucket. This makes connecting to any of these three repositories super easy using Wappler. You can push and pull your local project to the selected remote repository. This is where I left off in the last video titled, Git Manager, Branches. In this example I will show you how to create and connect to a GitHub repository. The process is the same for the other two providers. I go to github.com. If you do not have a GitHub account, then you can sign up here. In my case, I already have a login profile, hence the error message. I will therefore sign in. Here I click the New button to create a new repository. I have given the repository the same name as the project. The name gets a tick of approval. If the project is not for general consumption, I would select Private. In this case I have nothing to hide, so I leave it for public viewing. It is important not to select anything under Initialize this repository with. Simply skip this step. I can now create the repository. Here we see a number of alternative instructions to further the workflow. All I have to do is copy the URL. This will be used to connect Wappler with the remote. Back in Wappler, I choose Connect. Here I paste the GitHub address. I also enter the name of the connection. And press Connect to finalize the handshake. If you have not previously authorized GitHub access for Wappler, an authorized dialog will appear. There are two options available: authorize Wappler for just the current repository and/or store the authorization globally for all your Wappler projects. I have selected both in the past. That is why I do not see the dialog in this project. Click the Authorize button. You will be taken to the app authorization page in your browser. Click the Authorize Wappler button. And click the Open Wappler button in the alert which appears. This will take you back to Wappler. Now that our project is connected to GitHub, I can push the project to the remote. Pushing is how you transfer commits from your local repository to a remote repository. In GitHub, I refresh the page and see that I am done. The local repository content is now transferred to the remote repository. That is it for the Git Manager. In these videos, I have shown how to create local and remote repositories, how these repositories can be used as version control, and how to make collaboration easier by creating branches. In other videos, I will show you how you can use these repositories to clone and share your projects. I hope that this video has been of benefit to you. Thank you for watching.